welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I am just another Sneha and I make videos on skincare, haircare, health. If you like watching such content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys 5 one-ingredient face masks. Before applying anything new to your face, make sure you do a patch test to see if the particular ingredient is going well with your skin or not. So that being said, now let's get into the video.
So the first ingredient is honey. Honey fights acne. It is a great moisturizer, a gentle exfoliator. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles. For making the next face mask, you need to mash a ripe banana in a bowl and apply it all over your face. The potassium in banana moisturizes dehydrated skin, while zinc and lectin help in fighting and curing acne. The amino acids present in banana are a wonderful substitute for anti-aging medicines and creams. The next ingredient is curd. The lactic acid present in curd helps in shedding the dead cells from the skin and also fights against wrinkles and early signs of aging. Apart from this, the lactic acid also helps moisturize the skin, leaving it soft and supple. The next ingredient is tomato. Tomatoes reduces excessive oil, removes dead skin, prevents acne, brightens skin, delays signs of aging, and tightens pores. Also, tomatoes are naturally acidic. If you are sensitive to natural acids or if you are allergic to tomatoes, then you can skip this face mask. The last ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to moisturize the skin, fights skin aging, reduces infection and acne, and lightens blemishes on the face.
That's all for today guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will get notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.